मुझे तो नहीं आ रहा। Okay. Hello everyone. Please let me know in the chat below if I'm clearly audible and my screen's visible to all of you. So welcome back all of the 2025 and 2026 students. Um, it's going to be a Merry Christmas for you because we have a hiring from Google for you, right? So we are going to deep dive into the information and everything, all the details we are going to discuss about it. But before that, if you have anyone who belongs to 2025 and 2026, get them on board this live session. We are going to disclose a secret Santa gift for you on this particular live session. So make sure that you are here with all of your friends and your siblings and your batchmates as well. And then we'll start off with the session right away. Okay, so I'm audible and visible. So hello everyone, it's Christmas Eve today and wishing you a very, very Merry Christmas. And yes, it's going to be a very Merry Christmas because we have a hiring for you. So if there's anyone who you think would benefit from this particular live session, get them on board this session so that we can begin it off. All right. And before that, um, how many of you are preparing for the drives that are coming, and how many of you have appeared, have registered for the drive? Just let me know in the chat below if you've started registering, if you've started preparing for the drive, because it's going to be the end of hiring season this year, right? The year's ending, and so is the hiring season as well. And we would love that all of you get placed before you end this year, right? So, okay, let's begin up with the information. So, Google, as you can see right here on my screen, Google has announced its hiring, and the particular hiring is for the software student training in engineering program. So STEP, that is what they call it, a STEP intern, software student training in engineering program intern. All right, and it's for the year 2025 and 2026. How do we know that? Let's just quickly get all of the details here. So as you can see, this particular link will be available to you once the live session ends in the description box below. All right. So if you wish to get the link and start applying for this particular drive, get the link once the live session ends in the description box below. So you will have to stay up with us until the very end. All right, so you can just quickly come over here, click on apply and start applying. The last inward application is January 19th. Yes, that's right. January 19th is the last date, but I would suggest that you start registering right away so that you know that you're selected and you will have some time to start preparing for the same. All right, moving forward, so let's quickly talk about the minimum qualifications that is very much needed. So enrolled in a bachelor's program, majoring or intending to major in computer science or related technical fields, experience in one or more general purpose programming languages, which is C, C++, Java, and Python, and some other programming languages as well. Ability to communicate in English fluently. So your communication level are also very important apart from your basic technical knowledge. So as you can see, even Google is vouching for soft and technical skills, hard skills and soft skills, both of them. So it's high time that we give high priority to the soft skills and communication skills as well, because this is what the bare minimum qualification is what they're asking for. All right. Moving forward, the preferred qualifications, what they actually need in the candidate are currently enrolled in a full-time degree program. All right, excellent programming skills in C++, Java, and Python, and an or. It's not and, but it's or. Ability to complete a full-time 10 to 12-week internship between May and August of 2024. So your dates between May and August of 2024 should be free. All right, if you have that, this particular internship is for you, and you stand the chance to intern with Google, learn with the industry experts, get hands-on experience with the Google professionals. What more do you want for your technical career? Nothing more than this, right? So make sure that you are eligible for this particular drive and you start applying right away. The link will be in the description box. All right, now this particular drive is for the 2025 and 2026 students. All right, how do we know that? It is clearly mentioned in this particular paragraph. Google has clearly mentioned over here that it is open to the underrepresented groups who will be in the second year of the university students by the summer of 2024. All right, so this particular line satisfies the verdict that it's for the 2025 and 2026 role. All right. Why 2025? Because whoever has a 3-year degree, for example, the BSc and BCA students, they are going to be in the second year in the summer of 2024. And 2026 students, if you're doing a BTech degree for the which is of 4 years, you are going to be in a second year in the summer of 2024. So 2025 and 2026 students are eligible. If you are from 24, 23, or any other batch, sadly, you are not eligible for this particular internship. So if you know anyone who's going to benefit from this internship, make sure you share this information with them, get them on this live session, or share this live session once it ends. All right. Moving forward, since they've not mentioned any particular degree, which is BTech, BE, BSc, BCA, we are not taking the streams into consideration, but only the passing out years. All right. Moving forward, that's all they need from you. So once you start applying for this particular drive, let me just quickly tell you that the selection process is going to be a little tedious. All right, since it's Google, right? Since it's Google and you're going to go with the top FANG company, the difficulty level of the selection process is going to be very difficult. And if you don't want to miss out on your preparations, if you don't want to miss out on the best preparation resources, what we can help you out with is we can help you out with the FANG roadmap. All right. So once you come down onto preppingstuffprime.com, you can come here and you can see tracks for FANG companies. So you can come over here, click on this, and get a roadmap on how to prepare for FANG companies, which includes Google in the list. All right. Moving down, we also have a complete course which is going to prepare you for the programming skills section, as they've said that they are going to concentrate more on the programming skills, which is C, C++, Java, and Python. So you can come over here and get your language or get your knowledge in the programming languages clear from this particular carousel or the section. All right. And since it's Google, we know that the coding section is going to be highly, highly difficult. All right. And which is why you would need your expertise in competitive coding and DSAs, which is why we also have this particular competitive coding section over here for you. So if you want to start off with brushing up your foundations in coding, start off with basic coding and then gradually come up to intermediate and competitive coding. All right. That is how your roadmap is going to be if you want to be the one who selected for Google, right? So this is going to be your track or roadmap for the FANG company, starting off with your resume, then your programming language, OOPS language, basic coding, intermediate coding, DSA, competitive coding, and then moving towards the aptitude section as well. Right, so that's going to be your roadmap for FANG company preparation. So make sure that you get this roadmap and start preparing once you have registered for this particular internship. All right. Moving forward, apart from this, yes, also if you don't want to miss out on any updates from Google or any other on priority updates for your particular batch pass out here, what you can do is you can come onto our Instagram and follow us on our 2024, 25, and 26 Instagram pages as well, which are curated specifically for your batches. Apart from that, come on to our Instagram page. The link of all of these handles will be there in the description box. Follow us on these particular pages, 25, follow 25 if you're from 2025, or 26 if you are from 2026. All right. And that is how it's going to help you out to get placed before this year ends, because we would want our mission of placing more and more students before this particular year ends. All right. No, I'm sorry, the MCA students are not eligible for this particular drive, since they have clearly mentioned that they want bachelor's degree students. All right, they don't want master's degree, but they want bachelor's program. So as you can see, it's written right over here, bachelor's program majoring or intending to major in computer science. All right, so master's degree students are sadly not allowed. So I would have to tell you that no, you're not allowed. You are definitely eligible for some other hirings, the updates of which you can get from our Instagram pages to whichever batch you belong to. All right. So yes, that was all about this particular drive information. For your preparation resources, let me just quickly tell you that we are running on huge discounts on our Prevensa Prime website. And you can also use the coupon code YouTube, which is YOUTUBE. As you can just quickly come over here and check out this particular coupon code. You can use the coupon code YouTube, YOUTUBE, and get extra maximum discounts off on Prevensa Prime website if you want to start preparing for Google from our website, starting off with the full stack courses, the programming language courses, coding courses, and so on and so forth. All right. The link of the application will be there in our description box. So you can get the link from the description box once the live session ends. If you have any other query, please let me know in the live chat below. We are going to quickly address those queries and then wrap up with this particular live session. Apart from that, if you also don't want to miss out on any of the updates, make sure you enroll yourself on our WhatsApp group so that you get the links on priority. First hand links always go out to our WhatsApp group students, right? So you can join our WhatsApp batches from here to whichever batch you belong to. The link will be there in the description box again, or you can also follow us on our Instagram handles. Apart from that, we are also available for your guidance on Discord and on LinkedIn and on Telegram as well. So you can quickly come over here, join us on Discord and interact with us and the mentors directly and get all your technical, soft skill, hard skills, any preparation queries resolved by us firsthand. All right. Uh, can BCA students who are graduating in 2024 apply? No. BCA students who are going to be in the second year in the year of 2024 are only eligible. So you are going to pass out in 2024, which means you are already in your third year, right? So I'm sorry that you're not eligible. That reply goes to Firestone Gamers. Okay. Ma'am, Insta page is private. You can get the link. You can get the link from our Linktree page. So you can quickly come over here and check out the link right over here in the Linktree section. Click on this, and you're going to get the first drive as Google on campus. Sorry, Google internship hiring. Can BCA 2024 students apply or not? BCA 2024 students cannot apply until and unless in the year of 2024 you are in your second year. All right, I hope it clears out. Firestone Gamers, that's your answer. 2024 students cannot apply if you're passing out in the year of 2024. Is there any other query? Ma'am, Insta page is private. You can go follow us. It's all the good for you, for your career, for your job opportunities. You can go follow us on our Instagram pages and get the link from there itself. I'm third year student. Can I apply? No, only the second year students can apply. Even if you are a BTech student who is in your third year, you cannot apply because it's only for the second year students. They clearly mentioned right here in this particular paragraph, as you can read here, who will be in the second year of the university studies. So second year is the keyword right over here. Third years and the final year students not allowed. But again, if you want to apply to Google, we have many more drives coming up for Google, and we've already come live for other drives such as for the third and the fourth year students. You can go check those live sessions out. You can also check out our Instagram post. We have updated all of the latest drives on these pages. As you can see, Trade Desk is hiring, Microsoft is hiring, Amazon is hiring. So you can go get these opportunities and start applying right away. I am in my second year and will be passing on in 2026. I am not so good in DSA, just a beginner. Can I crack this step intern by any chance? Yes, definitely. Even if you're not good in DSA, you have a chance. You have the time to start preparing. What you can do is you can come on to Prep and Stop Drawing and start off with the basic coding section. Once you start with basic coding, move towards intermediate coding, then competitive coding, then comes DSA, right? So competitive coding and DSA go hand in hand. So even if you're not too good in DSA, there's always room for improvement. So practice, 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 and you are going to improve one day. And don't miss out on this opportunity to apply. At least apply and start preparing. Give the exam. If in the end you're not selected, you have many more opportunities. But don't give up. At least apply to it. Preference website is not working when I'm going to solve some aptitude questions. You can please DM us on our Instagram, or you can contact us on the IVR support number, which will be floating right away. So contact us, let us know which question are you trying to prepare, and then we can help you out with the same. All right, I think the website is working fine for us. What skill do they prefer for this internship? Okay, so let's talk about the skills over here. So what have they mentioned here is, since it's for the computer engineering students and since it's coming from Google, I would say this is the most important technical skills that we have here right now is AI ML, most important, and data science. Like data science, AI ML, AWS cloud, I would suggest. You can also go for cybersecurity, QA analysts, so all of these important skills that they need you to have for this particular internship. We have all of them. So you can come over here, check out this particular carousel, get all the popular skills in your resume, get them built within yourselves, and start applying for Google. It's going to help you out. So you can also use the coupon code YouTube, like I've told, to get this 7 Prime subscription. You not only just get skills, you get to prepare with your programming languages section along with the intermediate basics and DSA section as well, right? So this is how you can prepare. If you want a particular roadmap, we have this roadmap for the fine companies. Come check this out and start preparing. Okay, I'm in third year and I'll be passing out 2025. No, only second year students are allowed. Even if you are in the third year and you're passing on 2025, you are not allowed. I'm so sad to announce this, but only second year students are allowed. The third year, fourth year, first year students are not allowed. Which skill do they prefer? Nikhilesh, I hope I've answered your question. Start off with AI ML. You can have AI ML, AWS. You can have QA analyst. You can have data science in your resume as well. So you can get all of these skills starting off with AI ML and all of the skills from Pepper Prime itself. So you can go check it out and start off with your preparations. I hope that's it. You can also follow us on social media handles and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel since you're watching this particular live session on YouTube. And we are going to come live whenever any company announces their drive. Or else if you want to be the first person to get all of the details, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the notification bell as well. All right. Is doing only one skill will be enough? You have ample amount of time. If you can complete one skill, great. If you can complete two skills, even greater. Right. So absolutely depends on your potential. But one skill is basically enough. What we'll basically doing in this internship, that is going to be in the hands of Google. This includes three main components: a software project, skill-based training, and professional development. That is what you're going to do. You're going to work on a project, get skill-based training and professional development as well. So you're going to get time to network with the industry experts and build your own professional portfolio, right? So that is what you're going to do. It's going to enhance your coding skills, gain exposure to tools and programming languages, and so on and so forth. All right. So I hope that's going to do it for all of you guys. We're going to wrap up this particular live session. If you have any other query, DM us on our Instagram to whichever batch you belong to. If you belong to 2026, DM us on 2026 or 2024, or you can also DM us on our Prepping Star off-campus Instagram page as well. It's linked right over here, this off-campus page. All right, and we'll reach out to you as well. We'll make sure that we reply to you in the least amount of time as possible. So thank you so much for joining this live session. We are going to wrap up right over here. Last information that you can use the coupon code YouTube YOUTUB and get a Prime subscription right away. All right, so wishing all of you again a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. So thank you so much for watching us and joining us. Let's end this session right here.